Welcome to the Montpellier Grand by Carlisle Homes, on display at the Highlands estate in Craigieburn. Showcasing the impressive Houston facade, this home is part of Carlisle's award-winning Affinity collection. Entering the home, you will immediately be captivated by a stunning entry. The separate study to the front of the home provides a quiet space for a dedicated home office or homework hub. The versatile formal lounge room offers a living space which is away from the hustle and bustle of the home, offering the perfect place to hide away with a good book. Head down the hallway and you'll find the home theatre, the entertainment hub of the home. Prepare to be delighted by the grand open-plan living space at the rear of the home, which forms the heart of the Montpellier Grand. An expertly appointed designer kitchen features the best in modern design and amenity and is truly the hub of this family home. The living and meals area is large enough for everyone to stretch out and relax, and offers a light and bright large area for the family to come together. Opening up to an outdoor alfresco, this is the perfect place to make the most of indoor-outdoor living all year round. The activity space on the upper level sits comfortably between the bedrooms, making it a fantastic kids' hangout area. Extra features like the clever study nook and large-sized balcony add to the family appeal of this stylish home. 3 spacious bedrooms, each with large walk-in robes and beautifully appointed private en-suites, offer the ultimate luxury for guests or older children and add to the elegant hotel-like feel of this stately design. The upstairs master retreat is where the beauty of the Montpellier Grand is truly found. Prepare to be wowed by the incredible dressing room, grand proportions, and bathed in natural light. This space is truly a showstopper. The opulent ensuite continues the elegance with his and hers vanities, an oversized shower space, and luxurious spa. Carlisle is proud to have won the prestigious HIA Victorian Professional Major Builder Award yet again. Discover why life's better with Victoria's Best Builder.